my name is Amrita and I am studying in Geetanjali, the Global School. So they have conducted us an online class so that we can be educated very well. My teachers are spending their time to educate us. They are preparing worksheets, and every week, every subject, we get one worksheet to complete it and to understand the lesson very well. I thank my teachers, the management, the school.
I am Ashishri of grade 9. After classes are over, it is easy for us to check the revision of classwork and homework. We are able to learn efficiently and clear our doubts whenever required. Our teachers are also putting lots of efforts to carry on our classes. Our parents are also very happy to see us involved in the study. After classes, we receive worksheets as homework. I once again thank GTGS management and my teachers who made the online classes successful.
I am Vivan Sajid from grade 8 Geetanjali, the Global School. The online virtual classes has been a very different experience as it requires a greater degree of student motivation. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my teachers, principal and management for enduring the hurdles to provide us with quality education.
I am Laina Sandu of grade 6 from Geetanjali, the Global School. The virtual classroom is a completely different experience consisting of greater degree of student motivation. I would like to take up this opportunity to thank my beloved principal, hardworking teachers and school administration who are enduring the hurdles of providing us with quality education.
I am Sushant, studying in 7th class in Geetanjali, the Global School. We couldn't catch up our syllabus and we were lagging behind, but our school has started video conferencing classes by which we were back on trail. Our class teachers came and they gave a 40 minutes class by which we note down all the points, all the slides in the class. We were very happy with the online classes.
I, Himanshu Dubey of class 10th, Geetanjali Global is supporting us through the Zoom app and providing us proper classes and clearing our doubts. We are thankful to the Geetanjali Global and to the teachers.
My name is Satvika. I've recently passed out my 9th and entered to my 10th grade. So this GTGS management has put on online classes for us, and prior to these evening classes, we even get worksheets daily basis. It really helps us a lot, and all the teachers are really helping us for this reason and are available for us. Whenever we have any queries, we can contact them and clarify our doubts. This has been really helping me.
My name is Shashank. Our school management is declared to keep online classes daily. They are giving worksheets daily. Teachers are spending more time with us to teach online classes and preparing worksheets.
I am Vaishnavi and have promoted to 10th class. Geetanjali management have started up an online virtual classes for making us thorough of each and every topic, keeping so much efforts of making worksheets on the daily basis and sending links and putting so much efforts for us.
My name is Amrit. I have recently finished my 8th grade in Geetanjali, the Global School. Online classes. The classes are going pretty much interesting and going very well. My teachers are taking these classes in a very interactive way. I thank my school and teachers for this wonderful initiative.
I am Piyush Chaudhary, recently completed my 7th and graduated to 8th class. As we all know that the whole world is suffering from COVID-19, but our Geetanjali, the Global School, never loses hope in any condition and now is educating students through online classes. The effort makes the room as a classroom atmosphere and we understand everything clear. I would like to thank my honorable teachers and school management.
This is Farzan. Hope you are happy and safe at your home. Online classes with our class teachers was amazing. It was very helpful in understanding each and every concept of the classes, and it was a great experience for us to have an online classes system.
I am Vani Sinha. I have recently completed my 9th and entered to 10th standard. I am very thankful to our teachers and the management of GTGS. As we all know, 10th standard is a very crucial step in our educational life. So, to make the students ease at their studies, our teachers are providing lectures through online classes. These online classes are helpful to us to utilize our time in a productive manner. All that I can give them is a very good results for their efforts.
My name is Khushi Kawaria. I would like to thank our teachers who kept so much effort to clear our all doubts and made the concept for us easy to understand. When our teachers are designing an online discussion, they take a moment to think about what they want the students to achieve by setting a clear expectations and giving a specific instructions at beginning. Because of that, we students get a better idea of what is expected of them.
I am Tinire, recently upgraded to class 9, but our teachers and school management has created online virtual classes to ensure whether we are engrossed and engaged with the regular classes. It's a very tough time to create study materials for our regular classes. I would proudly like to say that I am the student of GTGS. My sincere thanks and pranam to all my respected teachers and my school management.
Myself, I am Himsa Akshay from grade 9 studying in GTGS. I was happy to share this and I learned perfectly. So I thank your management to provide this.
My name is Dishita from grade 8. Really, this helped all students fully engaged and continuing their education as usual and also familiar with e-learning tools, which are being developed part of global digitalization.
This is Syed Sarfaraz Ali, uncle of Farzan Hames, student of class 10 of GTGS Global School. I would like to thank the GTGS management, staff and teachers for providing the online classes during this period of lockdown COVID-19, as these online classes was very much useful to the students as it was delivered by the GTGS with higher responsibility and great perfection by the GTGS. I once again thank the GTGS management, staff and teachers for this innovative idea of providing the online students during this period of lockdown.
I am recording this video as a feedback for my daughter Varshini, who is yet to who is going to get promoted into 8th class in this upcoming academic year, which in this short period and so quickly they adopted for the changes which are happening in these difficult times. And I really felt very happy that they are engaging the children in this holidays or the lockdown period to utilize very effectively. I am very happy for what they are doing, and they have done this in a very short period. That's really commendable achievement, I would say, and I really appreciate the efforts which are being taken by the teachers and the Geetanjali school staff and all the employees in there.
I am Dr. Shireen, the parent of Vivan Sajeev and Laina Sanvi. The virtual classes, in order to be conducted, it's quite demanding because it requires a coordinated approach from a dedicated IT team and also equally dedicated teachers and other staff as well. New level of experience in terms of the students are being self-motivated, they are enhancing their own reading skills as well as the skills to formulate their own answers to the worksheets given. I would like to thank all the teachers and all the staff involved in conducting these sessions. As a parent, I feel I am totally privileged to express my support and so that these sessions could be continued in the future.
This is Upender, father of Vani Sinha, of 10th standard student at Geetanjali Global School. I am very happy and thankful to the management of Geetanjali Global Schools for providing online classes to the students. I am happy that my daughter and all the students are benefited by these online classes.
My name is Sanjay Kumar Dubey, father of Himanshu Dubey. My son is studying in class 10 for Geetanjali Global School. I appreciate the school efforts in providing the online classes to the students, and also daily I am getting the updates on the class going to be conducted, and evening also I am getting the homeworks on the WhatsApp group created by the school. I really appreciate the efforts and taken by the management of the GTGS.
I am father of Dishita, who just moved to grade 8. The present era is digital and an innovative mode of learning is virtual. I greatly appreciate the GTGS management for using the digital technology to continue children education during COVID crisis period, where we are locked in our homes. Thanks to all GTGS team who worked in designing appropriate modules and worksheets which suits to teach children in easily and understandable manner. I watched my children many times during online classes and observed showing more interest and learning with enthusiasm.
This is Shashwat Ray, father of Tinni Ray of class 9 of Gitanjali, the global school. Through this video, I would like to share my feelings, sincere thanks and the gratitude about the superlative work exhibited by the school and the teachers of GTGS during this lockdown period on account of COVID-19 outbreak. The virtual classes are helping my daughter to get the overview of various chapters of various subjects, and her doubts are also being clarified by the teachers time to time during the virtual education program. The teachers are really managing the online virtual classes with ease and addressing the issues with smile. Once again, my compliments to GTGS teachers for this fantastic work. So teachers, please keep up the good work. I wish you all the best. Take care, stay safe and healthy. Thank you very much.
I am Varshit's mother. Always he was sitting and playing at home. Now he got something to learn. I thank all the staff and management of the school for conducting online classes and forwarding worksheets regularly to the students. Really, it's a great job. Congratulations for the whole team.